What is overloading in Python? So overloading is a polymorphism concept in which we can use operator or method for different purposes. So there are three types of overloading: operator overloading, method, and constructor overloading. So in operator overloading, let we take an example of plus operator. So for plus operator, we can use for arithmetic addition also, and at the same time we can use for string concatenation also. So another example is of star operator. So star operator we can use for multiplication also, and we can use for repetition purpose also. So this is operator overloading. Then second is method overloading. So in method overloading, if we have two methods of same name but different argument, it's called method overloading. But this is not available in Python, because Python will always consider only the last method if there are same method name. To overcome this, how we can handle overloading in Python? So we have two options. Using default argument, we can use method overloading, and using variable argument also, we can use method overloading. So here in default argument, we will pass parameter as default, and what parameters we will need, we will call it. So this is default argument, and another one is variable argument. So this is *k is a variable argument. So here we can pass any number of arguments. So this is method overloading. And similar to that method overloading, we have constructor overloading. Here only name is changed to underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So that is overloading. Thank you.